Good girl. What a fast walker you are. Lydia's here today. And you get up on the bike? Do you want to sit? That's set. Sit. Sorry for sit. Can you say please? Sophie? Sophia, can you say please? Oh, thank you. Oh, look at the girls and their bikes. They're so big. I don't know if they figured out how to move them yet, though, but... Sophie? It's okay, Lydia's just curious, okay? Ah! Alright, is this where you're asking to be pushed? Good job, Lydia! Moving backwards! Vroom, vroom! Gear up! Gear up your engines! Vroom, vroom! Alright, I'll come over and push.